finally this is arrived. This is the V magazine Deluxe edition. They had like Korean, Chinese, and English versions. So I picked up the English. Retail is $175, I think. So yeah. So here you go. Bang. V magazine with the pink glitter on here. 138, the issue. So let's take a look. Slowly open this up real quick. I think they were printing this, so it took a while to get here. They were printing it, so it's kind of like a pre-ordered, but you had to purchase it before. They didn't have any stock. I think they were just making it for pre-ordered. But it took a while. Finally arrived. Happy arrived. But here is the cover. Okay, opens up like this. So that's like a little sleeve right here. It's a pretty nice touch. It's got two covers. Here's the back, Fendi. But here is the main event. So we have it here. Chanel. This is the hardcover. There is a standard edition. It's $15. I picked that one up as well. You can see my unboxing for that one. But this is a special hardcover for Lalisa. There's Chinese, Korean, and English. V-Trends. Music's Mona Lisa. All the photo shoots. Celine. Lisa. Here's an interview. Yeah, that's pretty much it that she's featured in. It has a small section of her. This is more like a collector's, but yeah. So, quick unboxing. The V magazine special edition. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I have more stuff coming in, and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in my next video. I'm out. Peace.